So, if affirmation, manifestation, or vision boards are not working for you, that means one thing is confirmed, that you are doing all those things in very mechanical way or very robotic manner without adding a real feeling or emotion, which is the most important part of any manifestation. Let's break this down and let's understand this concept. So, what happened from your childhood till today? Your brain has already created some or lots of patterns, I can say, in every areas of your life, be it in terms of money, in terms of relationships. And in neuroscience, we call this as neural pathways. How you created those neural pathways? The way you have seen your parents, your external environment, how they behave during your childhood, you just taken those behaviors as the final fact, and you created a belief system inside your brain following that those are the facts and I'm going to follow those, and your subconscious mind literally coded those. And you won't believe 95% of your present decision, of your life's action, the way you respond, everything are getting controlled by all those programming that you have already done during your childhood. For example, if you grew up in a house where earning money and spending money, all the money related decisions were always so stressful, always involves lots of argument, pressure, tension, then your brain learned one thing clearly, that is, money is equals to stress. Money is equals to hustle. Now, when you grown up and you reached this age and you started saying the affirmations like, I'm attracting money, I'm a money magnet, and money comes to me, flows to me easily, naturally, normally, all those type of manifestation, all those type of affirmations you are saying, you are writing, you are journaling, what will happen? It is creating an internal conflict inside you, inside your brain, body, mind, and in your energy state, because some different thing is coded inside you in your brain, and you are saying and you're thinking something different. So it's a very confusing state for your energy body plus for your physical body as well. And now you just think about it, if you just keep on saying those affirmations, will you be able to attract the same amount of money? No, right? So first step is we need to identify those limiting beliefs that are pulling us to, achieve something that we are capable of. So first we need to identify, then we need to get rid of those one by one. To do this, I have a complete PDF guided where I have explained this in detail, how you can, identify the limiting beliefs and how you can get rid of those. To get this, comment believe and I'll share that with you.